I want to share with you principles of hand washing. Wet hands with waters. Apply soap, cover all surface of the hands. Rub hands palm to palm. Rub each palm over the back of the other hands. Rub palm with fingers interlaced. Rub back of fingers to opposing palm with fingers interlocked. Rub each thumb clasp in opposing palm. Clasp fingers and circular rub opposing palm. Rinse with waters. Allow hands to dry completely before touching anything. Also, thanks.
Today our message is about hand washing day. Hand washing is the leading way to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria, especially important during the winter cold and flu season.
नाज़रीन, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर लें ताकि हमारी लेटेस्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहें।